guys, welcome back. It's been a long time. I do have a special guest today in my channel, my Faith, my one and only niece. And we've been planning to do a video for the longest time, and she came up with a great idea. And what was your idea, Faith?
My idea was she was going to be blindfolded while she does my makeup.
Yeah. So, I told her I could do pretty good makeup. And I could do my makeup, my eyes closed. So she literally came up with that idea. So I'm going to do a simple makeup on her because I don't want to ruin her beautiful skin. She has such a beautiful skin.
Thank you.
Like I said, young girls, little girls, you don't need makeup, everyone is beautiful without makeup. You don't need it. You just do it for fun. So we're going to do it fun. I'm going to keep it minimal. I'm going to do a simple look. Hopefully, right product goes on the right spot, and no one could help me. I guess you can't tell me.
Yeah.
I guess if I'm doing it wrong or whatever. We're just gonna see what comes out of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have all my stuff laid out here, and hopefully I pick the right thing and do it. So you wanna blindfold me? Okay. Oh my God, it's so dark. Wait, how am I gonna find stuff?
You feel for it.
Okay.
I guess.
Oh my God, this is hard. I can't even get.
That's a computer.
Oh my God. Okay, so I got primer. Oh man, I should have picked the different shaped primer and foundation. I think this is thinner, so this is primer, I think. If not, it's gonna be the opposite way. So I got some. Now where are you? Oh, there you are. So I'm gonna put this primer. This is basically protecting her skin from the foundation. Where's your nose? See? Ah, close your eyes so I don't get it in your eyes. Okay, I hope I blended it. Alright, so that's done. Now, foundation. Oh my God, what am I need a sponge. Oh. If I drop something, just pick that up, okay? Okay, now I had to, I don't know how I'm gonna. Okay, I think I got it on my sponge. I have no clue how much I have. And oh, there you are. I'm gonna put it on you. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is hard. How am I gonna know if it's blended and even? Wait, where's your nose? Okay. Close your eyes, okay? I don't wanna put it in your eyes and burn it or something. Okay, I'm just gonna, I don't know how much product I have, and I don't know if I'm blending it or not, but I'm just going to try to cover all your face. Oh my goodness. Faith, do you want to sing in my channel?
Sing?
Yeah, you could entertain me while I entertain everybody else.
I don't know how to entertain.
What's your favorite song?
Oh, wow. I don't have a favorite song.
No?
Oh, that feels nice. Like the blending feels so
Oh yeah? You know what this is? This is a wet sponge.
Yeah,
So Faith never had foundation on her face before.
Yeah, never.
And she never had this wet sponge on her face. She said that it feels good, so that's good. It's really soft, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got everything. I'm not sure, but we're gonna take it, and now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna try to do your eyes. Oh, I should have done your eyes first. Oh well, whatever. I think, okay, I was trying to be smart and pick the biggest palette so I could, be safe, but I think, is this? Okay, this is a fluffy brush. That's all I got. Okay, so now how am I going to know the color? Oh my God. So I'm just going to randomly pick a color. Oh my God. And I'm kind of stupid because I picked the palette that I don't use the most. And so I don't remember what colors were. Oh, where's your eyes? There's it. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Okay, so this is your beginning of your eyes. So I'm going to put this here. Oh boy. I don't know if Does the color show?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your eyes? The other. Is this the eyes I did?
Yeah,
Okay,
you
now
did
this
that.
is the
Yeah,
eyes.
that
Okay. Okay. So I got. Okay, and now the next color. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Where's your eyes?
It's here.
Wait, is that the
Yeah.
finger that I used? I don't know. You're like, oh.
I don't know.
Okay. Oh my God.
Okay, yeah, it's a different.
See, what I'm doing is I'm counting, and I hope I have it right. I try to kind of cheat and look at the palette before and count it down and see what dark and light colors are, but I sort of forgot, so I don't remember. Does it look like I have eyeshadow on you?
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh. Putting more on. Oh, Jesus. Is this your other eyes? Did I do this one?
You did both.
Oh, you did both. Okay. And I don't know. Be careful. Keep your eyes closed because I'm going to try to use the fluffy brush and blend over here. I don't know if I got the right place. Okay. My goodness, this is so hard.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm going to leave it like that. So that's your eyes done. Now, I'm going to come back to the eyeliner later. Oh, I dropped something, but whatever. If I don't have to use it, you got it? Okay, now, what am I going to get? Okay. Oh, this is I think not foundation, the blush brush. So let's do your brush since I have it in your thing. Yeah, this is square, so this is, I think, my Fit Me Maybelline blush I picked. Okay. See, you have to feel everything.
Yeah.
To do it. Okay, now, where's your face? This is your nose. So this is your cheek. Okay, so, okay, right here. It's going to be your blush. I can't see how much I'm putting on and how much blending I have to do. But I think, wait, where's your cheek? Okay, there you go. Okay, and then I have to, wait, am I getting it from the, okay, that's blush. Okay, where, okay, wait. I hope I have something on. Does it look like you have blush on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't even know if I'm getting enough product. Okay, I think we'll call it a day for that. What else? What else did I bring? Oh, your eyebrows. So I know I just picked the powder product, so it's easier, and an angle brush. So, let's see. It's nice that I picked the products. If you would have picked the product, I would have been screwed because then I wouldn't know what I had. So,
Yeah.
so I sort of get to cheat like that. Okay, this is your eyebrow. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, that eyebrow's done. Oh, it's closed. Oh, I don't even know what the right side is. Ah. Oh, there you go. Okay, now this side. Feel your eyebrow. Why are you laughing? Oh boy. Okay, I got your eyebrow. Now, I'm going to do eyeliner last because I'm so scared. I know I had a lipstick on. Oh wait, this is what? Oh, this is, I think the Pretty Vulgar, yeah, it is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I think I brought a brush. Yes, I did. Yeah, here. So now, wait. Yeah. Now I had to get your cheeks again. Oh no. Where are you? Oh.
It's not? No.
Oh, here. So high cheek, like up on the top. Okay. And right here. Okay. So highlights done. Now I know I have lipstick somewhere here. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, this feels like mascara. That has to be eyeliner. Oh, there's. So I have MAC Amoris. It's a nice pink lipstick that I thought would look good on. Is it up? Okay, yeah, I think it is. Where are you? Where's your lips?
Right there.
Okay. There you go. Why are you laughing? Wait. Oh, there's your lip. Okay. What? Is it that bad? Oh no. Okay, now you have to keep your eyes closed. I'm gonna put eyeliner. What? Oh man, I can't wait to see this. Where are you? Oh, there. Where are your eyes? Where's your eyes? Oh, there. Oh, keep your eyes closed, okay? Because I have no clue what I'm doing. Is anything showing up? Because I think I'm running low on this. What?
Are you ready?
No, not yet. Are we done? Well, I'm not going to do mascara because I'm scared.
Yeah, okay. You
Let's
wanna
not do
look?
mascara. Okay. Oh boy. Moment of truth. Okay, you can take my blind off. Oh my god, my eyes. Ooh, it's so bright.
And you felt the top lip too, and you didn't.
I know. I was like felt it, but then I kept on putting it down. I guess.
Really?
I thought your whole lips was together, but then oh my god, look at the blush.
Yeah,
so
I'm like,
much.
you got it on. You're like, did I get enough on? I'm like,
oh, this side came out good. Look, it looks okay. This side, I totally missed this one, the eyeliner. But it looks so pretty though. That could be a new look. Oh my god.
goodness.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I had so much fun.
So this is my fate, nephew. She looks beautiful, even with messed up makeup. Well, I had lots of fun. Did you have fun?
Yes.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I guess this is it. So what do you say, Faye?
Make sure to subscribe and leave a big thumbs up and turn on the post notifications.
Thank you. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. God bless.